If you want to set up an alarm clock on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, first of all, we're going to swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps. And then in here somewhere, you should be able to find the alarm clock app, which is this one over here. So we just have to open the alarm, and you might even find the example alarm clock available right away. So of course you can use it if you want to. You can just tap on this switcher in order to turn on or turn off. You can also tap on Add on Watch here at the top in order to set up a new one. So you should be able to decide when the alarm should go off. So let's say I'm going to set it to 9 a.m. We can go next. Then we have the customization. So you can choose if the alarm clock should be repeatable. You can choose the date when exactly you want it to go off. We have the alarm name, alarm sound, vibration, and snooze options. And then once you set everything up, you can just tap on the save over here, and then the alarm is going to be added and it's going to be immediately activated. So as you can see now, we have our alarm watch in here. You can also tap again in order to customize it. If you want to make some changes, you can turn it off. And now you can see that we clearly have the section for watch alarms and for phone alarms. Yeah, you actually have access to both of them. Now, keep in mind that phone alarms might be available only if you have Samsung Galaxy smartphone, or if your Galaxy Watch 9 is paired with a Galaxy smartphone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.